Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a cleaning brick on a Blackstone. First, let's prepare. You'll need a griddle scraper, a cleaning brick, a squirt bottle of water, and some cooking oil. Make sure your griddle is warm, not extremely hot, to safely begin. Use your scraper to push any large food particles and excess grease into the rear grease trap. This initial step makes the deeper cleaning much easier. Now let's get scrubbing. Drizzle about 1/3 cup of cooking oil onto the warm griddle surface. Take your cleaning brick and, using moderate pressure, scrub the entire surface. You can use circular or back and forth motions. For stubborn spots, squirt a bit of water onto the griddle to create steam, which helps lift stuck-on grime. Continue scraping the dirty oil and loosen debris into the grease trap. After scrubbing, it's time to restore your griddle's protective layer. Wipe the griddle thoroughly with several paper towels until all residue is gone and the surface is clean. Next, apply a very thin, even layer of high-heat cooking oil or a specialized griddle conditioner across the entire surface. Turn your griddle to high heat and let the oil smoke off completely. Repeat this oil and heat cycle 2 to 3 additional times to build a strong, non-stick seasoning. To keep your griddle in top condition, consistent maintenance is key. After every cook, clean your griddle and apply a light coat of oil. Always store your griddle in a cool, dry environment, preferably with a sturdy cover, to prevent rust. Remember, avoid using soap for routine cleaning, as it can damage your hard-earned seasoning. If rust appears, heat the griddle, scrape it, and then re-season it immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.